Business Analyst gives you several options to define analysis sites for your reports on the map.
For example, you can import a spreadsheet of stores with location information, a list of geographic boundaries, or a shapefile of customer locations or sales territories.
Simply click the Browse button and locate the file you want to import. Here's an Excel file of store locations. The file contains information about stores' size, rent, and their addresses.
Once you import the file, select the option to import point locations or list of geographic boundaries. Choose the columns in the spreadsheet that contain address fields or latitude and longitude information for each location.
Click Next, and the matched addresses are added as pins on the map. If there are some invalid addresses, you can fix them. There are options to style the business points using smart mapping options. For example, you can size each of the points for the rent value of the facility. At the next step, you can decide whether you want to save the layer as a point layer or create rings and drive times around the points. The rings created around each data point represent respective analysis sites. You can access the layer that gets created in your project content. Here you can select which sites to include in your analysis. Once you have the analysis sites ready, you can generate reports and infographics for them, and summarize the desired market data. To import sites that are in a polygon shape such as sales territory or trade areas, you can import a zipped shapefile. Choose whether you want to merge all shapes in one site or keep them individually. Enter a layer name, and choose the colors for the site appearance. Thanks for watching.